Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Slide to add a new page function on the StarNote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, go to the upper left corner of the home screen and click to the settings icon. And at the left bar, just click to the document settings, the fourth option. And here you can find the third option, the slide to add a new page. Actually, I use this function, but if you want to turn off, click to the next green icon, and if it will be turned green, this function will be disabled. If you want to turn on, click that again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.